Welcome to the Kwikset Premis Touchscreen Smart Lock unboxing. The Premis Smart Lock works with Apple HomeKit. Quick Setup Guide. Notice this guide does not contain full installation instructions. The free Premis app contains a step-by-step interactive guide to installing and configuring the lock and can be downloaded from the App Store. Deadbolt Exterior. Deadbolt Interior. Interior Cover. Interior Assembly. The battery pack is empty, but you will see batteries are included in the box. Mounting plate. Latch with rectangular faceplate. Drive-in latch. Adapter ring. 2 standard Kwikset keyway backup keys. 4 AA Rayovac batteries. Round corner strike. Drilling template. Terms and conditions. Smart key rekey instructions. Smart key learn tool. Screws required for installation. And that's all. It's time to unbox your Premis touchscreen smart lock.